Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a new library and project. This keeps files organized and speeds up editing. Next, import clips and photos directly from Finder or the Photos app, or drag and drop into the media pane so you can preview assets. Once done, set the project aspect ratio and frame rate to match your intended delivery, 16:9 for landscape or a vertical canvas for phone. Make sure to rename the project and check available disk space so playback stays smooth while you assemble clips. You now work the timeline. Drag clips into place, trim ends, and split clips where you need cuts to tighten pacing. Use Ripple Delete to close gaps and insert B-roll or picture-in-picture to illustrate points without losing continuity. Add transitions sparingly for clarity, then focus on sound, detach audio if you need separate control, lower background clips, and add fades for smoothness. When necessary, use color correction and stabilization tools to fix exposure and shaky footage, so the scene reads clearly to your viewer. You finish by exporting. Choose Share File, set resolution, quality, and compression to balance size and fidelity, then export a master copy to a dedicated folder. Make a library backup to an external drive or time machine so your project is recoverable. Once exported, test the file on the target device. If playback or rendering is slow, quit other apps, free disk space, or generate optimized media in iMovie preferences. This fixes most performance issues and prevents corrupted exports if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.